Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I have bought a very good opportunity from Paytm, and the best part is they are hiring for the two roles right now, one full-time and one internship. So whether you are a fresher or someone with 0 to 3 years of experience, this is something you should not miss. And in this video, I will quickly break down the responsibilities, roles, skills required and salary. Everything you need to know before applying. So the first role is Backend Software Engineer based out of Noida. This role is for freshers and candidates with 0 to 3 years of experience. So even if you are a fresher, you can apply. Now, what exactly you will be doing here? You will be working on building and maintaining scalable backend systems. That means writing production level code, designing systems, and making sure everything runs smoothly. You will also collaborate with different teams to understand product requirements and convert them into actual working solutions. Along with that, debugging issues, improving performance, and making systems more reliable will be a big part of your day to day work. And yes, you will be involved in code reviews, which is very important because that's where real learning happens in top companies. Now, coming to the skills, this is important. They are expecting you to have a strong grip on at least one programming language, mainly Java, Python, or Ruby. Apart from that, your problem solving skills should be solid because backend roles are not just about coding, they are about thinking. Also, basic understanding of software development concept, scalable systems, and clean coding practices will give an extra edge. And one more thing, they want someone who is curious and keeps learning, and they are open to any graduate or any postgraduate candidate, so the field doesn't matter here. Now, talking about the salary, this is where it gets interesting. For the backend software engineer role at Paytm, the compensation ranges around 10 to 16 LPA depending on your skills and performance in interviews. And before moving to next opportunity, I just want to quickly tell you I have a resource called 15 plus top company DSA and lead code sheets. This includes company specific questions from Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and many more companies. So instead of wasting time searching questions, you can directly prepare well. So make sure to check out the link in the description box. Now coming to the second opportunity, this is an backend intern role again at Paytm. And for this, even any graduate or any postgraduate can apply. Here, your work will be slightly different from a core developer role. You will be involved in things like processing transaction, maintaining records, and supporting backend operations. You will also help in developing and improving backend related products and work closely with the tech team to solve real world issues. Another interesting part is you will also do research on banking regulations and industry trends, which gives you an exposure beyond just coding. For this role, they are mainly looking for someone who has good analytical thinking, basic understanding of banking or financial systems, strong communication skills, and familiarity with tools like Excel and Word. So, even if you are not into coding, you can still apply for this. Now, one important thing, both roles are getting a lot of applicants, so don't delay. Also, make sure your resume is clean and ATS friendly. And if you have at least one or two strong projects to showcase, that will be good. So, yeah, guys, that was a quick breakdown of Paytm hiring for backend roles and internship. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications because I keep posting daily job updates like these. Make sure to check out the application link in the description box. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching, guys.